Hi, this is Tom Varcie with Military Embedded Systems here at AUSA 2016. I'm at the Omnetics Connectors booth with Bob Stanton. How are you, Bob?
Great. How are you, Tom?
I'm doing great. A lot of great things around the show today. So I've been looking around the Omnetics booth, and I've been noticing that you have ruggedized, miniature, and ultra miniature connectors. Tell me about this and what you have.
Well, we're fairly heavy service into the military applications, and the military is rapidly changing their demands because of the requirements that are happening in our world. We're heavily into a need for higher speed, better control systems that can be used both portable, highly portable applications and in rugged applications. And to get this portability and ruggedness, we're also putting more into the box. And so as we put more electronics into the box to connect to things like UAVs or surveillance technology or robotic ground equipment for the military, we're cramming more and more in, and we have had to develop totally new product families and still meet all the military specifications to meet these. And so our charter has been fast change design, support new applications for the military, and support the OEMs that are heavily involved into the systems. More and more systems are being cramped into smaller places, as I mentioned, and in doing that, the noise and the integrity of the signals can get at risk. So we redesigned the cables totally and the connectors to handle up to 5 to 7 to 8 gigabits per second, even though they're highly miniaturized and very small in the nano sizes.
And you got a couple examples here too.
Yes, I do. One of the things we will see is that we're moving down to miniature connectors from the large connector sizes, and so these types of connectors are more easily used in these portable applications on clothing and on robotic systems and that sort of thing. And then here is the nano miniature connector sizes. And these goes down to say 30 and 32 gauge wire, and they'll still carry up to 1 amp of current where it's needed. But in most cases, we're more interested in high speed data transmission and that sort of thing. Also to accommodate that, we've gone to miniaturized micro D connectors and nano D connectors that look like this, and they allow us to put in module after module or take them out in the battlefield when you need a changeover on a return from being out in action back to the home base. And you can disconnect these, and one side can be on the module and it can be put back into the Ethernet system, and the new module can be put on. So this is being embraced very well by our government, and they're leading this along. The next gen is a big issue, and that is as we increase the speeds, we're being asked to include all of the power and all of the signals in a single cable. And in doing that, we're following a program that has a new acronym called SWAP. That's smaller, lighter weight, and with power, all in a single connector and cable. But we're pulling that down to micro and nano sizes. And in doing that, we're able to reduce the amount of weight on the soldier, the amount of weight on the robotics, and increase the performance and the service to the product.
Smaller is better.
Smaller is better, it's lighter, the payload goes way up in things like hand-launched UAVs, and it just less problems with the whole signal system. The next main issue that we're covering is helping with the cyber protection. Cyber is an issue of great need right now, and so we're offering new kinds of shielding and matching the shielding to protect from cyber intrusion into the cable and the interconnect system itself. And we couple that in with the cyber protection equipment. All
right. Well, Bob Stanton of Omnetics Connector Corporation, thank you very much.
Thank you, Tom.
Have a great show. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay.